Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I will show you how to scan an Instagram QR code on your phone. So it's a very simple process. First, open your Instagram application. Then, simply click on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Then, simply click on Share Profile. Now, in order to scan a QR code from your gallery, you must first have the QR code image saved. To scan the QR code, all you have to do is click on the Scan option at the top right-hand corner. This will open your phone's built-in scanner. Now, if you have an Instagram code that is outside of your phone, like for example on any other phone, you can scan it directly with your camera like this. Or click on the Image option at the top right-hand corner again if you have an Instagram QR code already saved. So click on that option and it should automatically open the profile associated with the code. And then all you have to do is click on View Profile and it will take you directly to the profile that is linked with that particular QR code. So that's it. Now you know how to scan a QR code on your Instagram. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.